Good evening. We're on the Euro USD looking at a bullish correction within a bearish downtrend at the moment, 1 hourly data being bearish. So we're going to look for a 5-minute or one-touch option here to capitalize on some high probability correction targets, those being the 38.2, 50, and 61.8. Now the 38.2 is almost approaching being breached, but we have some prices offered here at 3902 and 3908, 3908 being between the 38.2 and 50% ITM Saturn PRO correction levels, which is a very high probability scenario for us to take this one-touch trade. Should be a pretty easy trade to take, and it's also got a very high payout at 77%. So we're going to take that trade now. Price has already shown us an ITM Saturn PRO stall signal there, meaning a retracement followed by bullish continuation is about to happen. Plus we have 100% high call option probability. So stay tuned. We'll come back shortly with the results. All right, we're back here. Price is closing in on our target. 7 minutes and 11 seconds remaining on this trade. Set to expire at 17:45 GMT. Price has now broken through the 38.2 and is hovering above with two stall signals, ITM Saturn PRO stall signals, showcasing that price after retracement will continue long here in this bullish correction. Our next target is the 50% at 1.39119, but our target of 1.39079 on this trade is below that target, making this a very, very high confidence, high probability trade shown to us in advance by ITM Saturn PRO here using these high probability Fibonacci retracements drawn automatically for you by the software. And maybe a few minutes away here from our target being breached. We're literally micro pips away from the target, and we're heading towards the 50% correction level, but we're most likely going to close out much sooner than the expiry time here, which is a very comfortable 6 minutes and something seconds remaining on this trade. We're almost there, so it's quite apt to study this trade while it's in execution. ITM Saturn PRO's correction levels appear during bearish and bullish trends. These correction levels are exhibited using automatically calculated Fibonacci retracements that are drawn for you by ITM Saturn PRO. So whenever you're near a certain retracement, you look for signals, and as you can see, stall signal after stall signals showcasing retracement followed by bullish continuation in this correction here towards, as you can see, there's another signal just on top of the 38.2. It's a very weak signal showcasing that we're going to see retracement followed by a bounce off of the 38.2, most likely headed towards the 50%, and the 61.8% being our next targets. So we're just a few pips away now. We're at 906 and our target is at 907 or 908, just closing in on 908. The target for this option being between the 38.2 and 50% gives us a very high probability in achieving a profitable outcome here. Since we don't have to worry about hitting the actual 50%, the target price is well between the 50% and 38.2 shown by ITM Saturn PRO, making this a very high probability trade. So just going to sit around here and wait for this to expire in our direction. We're just about there. We have quite a few minutes to go, and price is now bouncing off the 38.2 at the 3906 level, and there's your retracement back towards the long side in this bullish correction. Price is almost there, teasing us right at that target level, and we should now see it go through to completion right after this retracement. I think that would be it. Let's go back to the trading platform and see if that's gone through. Yes, it has. So we've now expired in the money with $4,425 gross return on an investment of $2,500 on this spectacular retracement trade. Thank you.